grabbed my camera off of it, ripped it off,
Alright.
and threw it in the bushes. Go ahead, call the cops.
I am.
Yeah. You're going to pay for that camera, too.
I ain't doing shit.
You're going to pay for that camera.
You ain't doing shit.
Camera's over there on his property.
I don't care.
I know you don't.
It's not on my. It's on the public right of way. I told you to cease and desist, and I was blocking the camera.
You have no right to grab my stuff, break it, and throw it in the bushes.
My personal
You're
property.
wrong about that, actually.
I am wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, you okay, well good. I'm glad that's established. You're wrong.
Whatever.
We finally have an update on the camera destroyer case out of San Jose. I put out a video about the Santa Clara District Attorney not pursuing the case. It goes viral, the DA receives a bunch of calls, and they end up prosecuting Stan.
You're fine.
He's gonna pay for my equipment that he broke.
Shit.
Either we go to court and you're gonna pay that way, or you're gonna pay right now.
We're gonna go to court.
Let's go to court then.
Let's go to court.
Oh yeah.
Let's find out who the fuck you are first, since you won't say who you are. So, cost you a lot more in attorney's fees than it will the fucking camera.
My attorney's free. He's on retainer.
Great.
After 5 months and 3 court dates, Stan decides to take a deal. For some first-time offenders, the judge can offer what's called diversion. It's like probation with certain terms and time limits. Stan's terms are anger management classes, 10 hours of community service, and pay restitution for damages. If he completes all these within 4 months, he keeps his clean record. He might try to fight the restitution costs, but we will see. That's all for now. I'll let you guys know how the next court date goes. Thanks for watching.
If you think the courts are gonna fucking take that on the docket, you're crazy. So
Look at this guy.
Threaten me all you want.
Look at this guy.
I've been in court before.
You just think there's not going to be any consequences for what you did? Really? Are you serious? You broke my camera and threw it in the bushes.
Whatever.
And you think that nothing's going to happen?
Nothing's gonna happen, sir.
Wow, look at this entitlement right here.
No.
What a prick.
And I understand fucking California law. So,
Oh, he understands California law. So, oh wow, okay. All right.
We'll let the cops sort this out.
All right, so you are going to get a criminal citation for vandalism. Okay.
Okay.
Not a correctable offense. Okay.
Okay.
The court date is going to be 4/15/2022 at 9 a.m. at the this is the court right here, the address.
Okay.
Sign right here is not admission to Gales. I promise that you'll show up in court. I'll take care of it.